first and foremost, we are meeting after so long time, and this video will be uploaded by me and as well you. So it will be better for our audience who will come first time, so they can get many information about us. So please give me your brief introduction.
Okay, I will give you my brief introduction. Yeah, this is for me a golden opportunity to introduce in front of you. So my name is Sam Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand State. My district Godda. There are 4 members in my family. I love traveling and connecting with the people. My qualification is 12 distance. This is the short intro about myself. Thank you for asking.
Yes. You have described very well yourself. Yeah, as a brief introduction you have given, it is captivating introduction, I can say. Okay, so I know that you know about me very well. So should I introduce myself or not?
Why? Yes, sir. Why not? I want to know about yourself. Something brief, but you try.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. As you know, I'm Sukla Hasda and I am also from Eastern Jharkhand of India. I am a YouTuber as well as a farmer. Yeah, and I have been working on my YouTube channel, which named Dehat English Wala, where I used to upload English content regarding to English spoken. Yeah, that's all about me. So you know that we are meeting after so long time. So how did you spend your journey within these days? What was your journey?
Yes, every day I will tell you my all things. Every day I was taking a challenge. I have to connect at least 10 people. So every day I'm giving much more time. Means 8 to 10 hours I'm giving on connecting with the people in days. Means I imagine means you can say that I live with English all time. I give at least 8 to 10 hours every day. I try to connect more than 10 people every day. This target I am
Okay.
completing every day. So one day I talked 18 people in a day. Means 12 hour I given on only connecting with the people. This type of target is
Wow.
going on our side. Also, I have started teaching some students. Some villager students are coming to learn this language. This time I am very engaged with teaching this language about English language.
Wow, great effort. And as you told me that it is not an easy work to connect 18 people in a day. Yeah, it is impossible, but you have done it. So I can say that you are so hard worker person. And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
the reason.
1 month. Yeah, 1 month I did complete. One what say 1 month I have given much more time to learn English. And this time whatever I video watch means to multiply means speed I watch. I try to in very fast way anything in catch. Also I am applying my speaking. I want to accelerate my English speaking. So every day I try 2 hour. I practice means speaking practice. 2 hour continuously I try to do. Every day I'm
Okay,
taking
okay.
new challenges for learning English.
Yes. I can say that it will be effective way to improve yourself, improve as well any kind of person. It is effective way. Really, it is effective way. So, would you like to tell me that which kind of method have you applied within these days that now you are able to speak very well? Which kind of
Yeah,
method have you applied?
in today I applied. Whenever I watch any video, I watch in fast way. Means I accelerate the that videos speed. Means 1.5, 1.6 in this matter. In short time, I want to learn everything. Also I'm getting benefit. If I reach any video in fast way, also that I can improve my fluency. Means my understanding in fast way I'm increasing. Means whatever is I'm watching in try to in fast way. Also I do fast practice. Means whenever I get any topic, I have to speak on that topic. I try in very fast way. Whenever I get time for reading, I speak in very fast way. Anything.
I can say that literally it is effective way. Okay, so I can say that now you have improved your communication as well, communication skill as well. You have improved yourself, and so would you like to elaborate it that why communication skill is most important for any person?
Why is necessary communication? What's your
Is-
question? Please repeat again.
yes. My question is that why communication skill is most important?
Yeah, this is very important. If you want to interact with people, if you want to share your idea, your thought, then it is much necessary. Also, it depends if you want to go for another state anywhere. If you want to do any job that thing that necessary. I'm not getting proper these questions answer.
Yes. Okay, and yeah, whatever you have said, it is correct, and I agree with your statement. I can say that you have given me your answer in a brief answer, I can say. So yes, yes. I can say that communication skill is the key of success in any particular field. Like a communication
Yes.
skill can be defined as the ability to express our idea, the ability to express our thought to others effectively. It is called, I can say that communication skill. Like now we are talking in English. Okay, it is the example. Now we are talking in English, and if I want to share my ideas, information to you, and if I am not able to share my ideas, information to you, so it's mean that I have not a communication skill. Yeah, I don't know that how to talk with the people in good way. I don't know. So it is called that I don't have a communication skill to talk with the people. And now you are talking with me easily, effectively. You are sharing your thought, ideas to me. So it is like a good communication skill. You have a command in this language as well as you have a good communication skill. Yeah, I can say that it can be defined like this. And yeah, that's why it is important that everybody wants to become like a they want having like communication skill in their life. Without communication skill, we will not able to talk with the people, because I can say that we don't have the ability to talk with the people, how to talk with the people in good way. Yeah, the manners we don't have like that. So it is important to talk with the people so that we can improve our communication skill. That's why I can say that now we have improved a lot, because we have been working on our communication skill for last 5 months, last 6 months, and yeah, like that. That's why I can say that now we have improved and we have learned many things by talking with the people. So would you like to tell me that how many session have you taken till now in your life? Because as you
Yeah,
told me,
I have talked. I at least I think 200 people more. I have still talked. Every day I'm chasing means I am trying to connect 10 people. So I think in 2 months I completed. I think 100 above means 150 above means it. If I include everything, I think 200 people I have talked still now.
yes, yeah, it is great effort, and I can. It is really appreciable. Your work is really appreciable, bro, because it is not an easy work to talk within one day. Like you have connected 18 people, so it is not an easy work. And if I talk
Yeah.
about myself, yeah, it will be around 150 session I have done because I can say that I have a lots of responsibility in my family. That's why I'm unable to connect to everyone every day. Yeah, that's why I am unable to talk to every person. And I'm also
Yes.
getting a lot of message. I'm also getting every day new message to talk with like a stranger. But due to my farming work as well as the responsibility of families, I can't talk to them. Yes.
Yeah, in present time you are a good speaker, in Skype. Every person wants to talk with you because of your confidence, your way of speaking, your is very unique, and this changes different from other. Means your way of speaking and your confidence level is too much. You have.
Okay.
That's why
Thank
people
you.
interest your video. Yeah, that's it. People interest your video.
Okay, thank you so much for your compliment. And yeah, I can say that you have also improved yourself very much, and it was not an easy work for you within a short time. And you have proved that anybody can do anything within short time. And yeah, I assure you that you will be success in your journey. And as you told me that you have started teaching to the students because you have also your coaching center, and one of your video was seen by me, and on that video. Yes, yes, you were talking to someone, and that video you have shown your coaching center. So really, it is good, and you are very good speaker now, I can say. And so, would you like to tell me that how are you teaching to your students? How did you start to teach them?
Yeah,
Which
I
kind of?
teach English. You can say that if any beginner comes, then I start from alphabet. First letter alphabet through I teach. Then after tell the how to write anybody Hindi to English name. Then I teach simple sentences. Then I sometimes I create English speaking environment among the that students. So this type of activity I do.
Yes, and I think that they are the students from village area.
Yeah, I am living in village area.
Yes, yes, I know, I know about you. I know very well
Okay,
about you,
I'm
and
going to show. Yeah, I am going to show my classroom 1 second. You.
yes, I can say that it is enough large. I can say it is a large classroom. So yes, yes.
Yeah, there can say that I think 50 students. One side has dash and dash arrange and 17 is this time not, but in future if student increase.
It will be around 50 students in your classroom. It is the strength of 50 students.
Yeah, one time can sit. Yeah, 50 seats are available in my classroom.
Yes, yes. So how long it's been after starting this journey, after teaching journey? How long it's been?
Yeah, 40 days before I started.
40 days before. Okay. Yes, and it would be better for your teaching journey as well, because over there you will get a lots of students. Yeah, but you have started in the village area. It will also great effort, I can say, for changing the ideas of villager people, and they can know about you, and you can spread your name by teaching. So you will be, I can say, that respected by them. The villager person will respect you, because I can say that I can say the identity is most important for
Yes.
ourselves. So we will have to do something, and it is teaching is best, because by teaching, I can say that you are improving them, and you are sharing your knowledge to them, and they can learn something from you. So I can say that it is great work.